Well, what's up, guys? Last box, or last break of the night. 2016 Optic Football 4-boxer for Lisa. Best of luck, Lisa. Happy New Year. We'll see what you got. Good luck. All right. Whoa. I see you freaking traveling all over the place, Lisa. Every time I look up, you're flying somewhere else. Got an insert there. Base. Man, I can't even open these tonight. I already did 2 cases of this tonight. My thumbs are shot. Got a Faro Cooper refractor. Got a blue Ken Stabler. Blues are numbered to 149. Peyton Manning insert. Derek Watt refractor. You've been going all over the place. Lucky you. Adrian Peterson got a black. Nice. Number to 25, black Melvin Gordon. Le'Veon refractor. Darren Lee refractor. All right, Mr. Wilson. Sounds good, bud. Got a copper Amari, number to 199. Carson Wentz base. Last break, guys. Last break. Devontae Booker insert. Oh, man. These packs are tough. Todd Gurley die cut. And look at that. Number to 75. Blue on-card rookie auto, Devontae Booker. There you go, Lisa. Terrell Davis, Randall Cobb. Got a red Jarvis Landry. Chris Jones. Aqua, Derek Watt. DeMarco Murray. Base. Got the rookies, Jared Goff. Blue, T-Mobile. Todd Gurley, refractor. Last pack of box 1. Another Peyton Manning and a Leonte Carroo. Box 2. All right. Andy Dalton. Gronk. that green or blue? That's a blue. Kevin Hogan. Number to 299. Malcolm Mitchell, my boy. Staubach, die cut, blue, Hunter Henry rookie. Tom Brady. Aqua, Drew Brees. Number to 299. Sam Bradford. Nice. Dak refractor. There you go. Nice Dak. Got a blue Marvin. Ashawn refractor. Xavier Howard. Got a, is that a gold? Nope. Copper. Jordan Howard. Whatever you call, I don't know if copper or coral. I don't know what you call it. Tom Brady insert. Devontae Parker. Peyton Manning. Chris Moore. Red. Jalen Smith. Skylar Aston, Jordan Reed. Base. Chris Ivory, that's numbered to 50. Kenyon Drake. Number to 99, on-card rookie auto, Tajay Sharp. Number to 99. Tajay Sharp. Box 3. Yeah, kind of a fugly auto. I agree. It's a little all over the place. It's like, he definitely did not take his time. Blue, Demarius. James Bradbury. Blue, Jonathan Williams. These packs suck, man. Mark Ingram refractor. Not numbered. Blue, Kamale Correa. Joey Bosa, the rookies. Aqua, Sammy Watkins. Duke Johnson. Ricardo Lewis refractor. Christian Hackenberg to 199. Carl Joseph. I almost said Curtis Joseph. Oh, there's a DAC. There's a base DAC. Drew Brees. Devontae to red to 99. Alex Smith. Man, these packs suck this year. Baseball was way easier to open than this stuff. It's like they changed the company or something, man. Laquan, the rookies. Uh-oh, what do we got here? Oh, wow. Sick hit. 20 of 20. Dual rookie auto. Paxton Lynch, Devontae Booker. There you go, Lisa. Nice dual auto. 20 of 20. I haven't even seen a dual auto yet out of this stuff. Nice hit. That's a jersey number on Devontae, too. 20 of 20. Nice one. There you go. Michael Irvin. Justin Forsett. Carson Wentz, die cut. Trevor Davis, refractor. And a green. I'm sorry, is it a blue? Nope, that's a green. That is number to 5. Von Miller. 3 of 5. Very nice. Von to 5. There you go, Lisa. Great box. Great box. Box 4, here we go. Yeah, full-on Bronco case, man. Got a green to 5 of a Bronco, a dual auto, and a single auto. Crazy. Jared Goff, blue, Vernon Hargreaves. Jacoby Brissett, the rookies. Red, Amir Abdullah. Not all of them. I ship all the main names, Aaron. All the big names. Jarvis Landry, refractor. Any insert and any big rookie I will ship. Paxton Lynch, refractor. Like Dak, Zeke, Wentz, Thurman Thomas, Brandon Marshall. Aqua, Sammy Watkins. Carson Wentz, the rookies. And look at this. Number to 20. 8 of 20. Autograph patch Jared Goff. Man, Lisa killing it. What a great 4-box run. There you go, Lisa. Jared Goff RPA. Number to 20. Nice hit. Man. Had the RPA and the dual auto. Way to go. Congrats. Beautiful Goff. That's pretty. Red, Vernon Hargreaves. Reggie Ragland. Oh, got a base Zeke, rated rookie. Matt Stafford. Got a copper Josh Doxson. Matt Jones. Base. Base. Nick Vannett, refractor. Red, Adrian Peterson. Emmanuel Sanders, Mackenzie Alexander. Another copper there, Kenny Clark. 199. Last pack for Lisa. Last pack for me. That's a Calvin Benjamin refractor. That'll do it. Thanks, Lisa. Happy New Year. We appreciate it. Hope to see you around.